Day off of work.
Doing the same shit at a different shop.
Yeah. But now she don't got Daniel to feed her. You know, he would have already.
She fed us.
What? Bridget Rich? Damn.
Let me show you. Like, what?
Yeah.
You got bigger problems than Otis. I gotta steal your.
Oh, you told me nitrogen is gonna make my problems go away. That's what you said. About time.
Nitrous also creates more problems.
Gonna find out. Yeah, I can't be grounding my shit all ghetto like that. I'm gonna ground it from the inside of the car. Fuck, I should have took mine. In nitrous in. And then he wants me to ground the solenoid to the car, and then